Welcome to eTech Quickie. Today, we are diving into the world of IoT with an ESP32 and DHT11 sensor. Time to get hands-on with the circuit. Connect the sensor's data pin to a GPIO pin on the ESP32. Now, let's upload the code to your ESP32. Ensure your board and port settings are correct in the Arduino IDE. The Async Web Server library allows us to handle HTTP requests asynchronously. The read temperature and read humidity functions will communicate with the DHT11 sensor and return the respective values. Now, let's bring it all together. Deploy the web server and ensure it's up and running. Open a web browser and navigate to your ESP32's IP address. Type in the IP address and witness the magic. Your web page should display real-time temperature and humidity readings. Congratulations! You've just created your IoT weather station.